These are really nice. You can get these at Toys R Us. You can play with them. They are soft. They have noises. I got mine at Toys R Us, like I already told you. They're only $10 for one, which is, I think it's pretty worth it, because I got it. I really like playing with them. They're really cool. I made a previous video. You can check it out on my channel if you subscribe. I just started, so please subscribe. Next, we have the Redbird. Practically the same, just has different noises. See? Different noises, really cool. You can play with them. They're just really fun. I think you should get some. I like them. I hope you do. Bye. See you next video.